Right, I think we should be live. Raymond, do you want to give us a triple check that things are there?
Yeah, I can see your screen on free stream.
Okay.
Waiting for YouTube to pop up. What about music, please?
You hear the music now?
No music yet.
No music. I heard it in the test stream. So let's make sure this is working good.
On the stream, yes.
So you don't hear any music. Sorry, it's hard to hear you. You didn't hear anything?
No. We have the music now.
Okay, cool. Great.
Music
All right. So we're good to go. Awesome. Cool. So sound check has passed. Sorry guys, just running a bit late here, and got Raymond here again to moderate the chat. Today we're going to try to create a user interface for our agents. So if you haven't been following along, we have our TypeScript SDK for both agents and MCPs. There's actually a lot of cool demos and examples. Hopefully we'll start creating soon to show you how you can use that. And the docs, they're ready to go. We're just not ready to promote them just yet. So any day now we'll be getting those things out in your guys' hands. But one of the things that has been missing, and we probably over-engineered a bit, was the playground, which is part of our open source project here. And what we did is we created a playground to be able to kind of customize agents with MCPs. And we have it, working functionally on our platform, but the open source version kind of fell behind. So what I want to do is just actually straight up start all over on our playground project and start to create just like a very basic website that we can use that can connect to the agent SDK that is running and be able to chat with the agent. So this really would give us like what we have let's just say like a user interface, just like the MCP inspector for MCPs. So usually for MCPs, you could like test them, be able to play with them, etc. But for agents, you usually have to just message them. There are a few websites that allow you to play with like LLMs talking to MCPs, but not like actual agents. So we just want to give everyone a much more cleaner user experience for that. And I think the further vision of like what an agent UI could do is that maybe you can even test it by installing it as a what's it called, a React, no, it's not React, it's called like a native, I'm trying to remember, it's like it's a website that you can install onto your phone, and I'm just like forgetting the name, but that's what Perplexity is for. So what is the app that is a web app that can be installed on your phone? Just totally forgetting the name of it. Progressive web apps, PWAs. So obviously you need a little more coffee. And so I imagine that this web app could eventually do PWAs, which maybe I'll extend in like another stream. And then we have also the vision of like, what if you can like deploy this agent easily to be able to access Telegram messages via a bot or Twitter, and actually create its own Twitter account and be able to be on Twitter as like a living thing. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm thinking about on like how this agent interface and also just general agent service could work. But for now, let's just give it an interface. So this is one of the tasks I needed to do this week. Thought it'd be pretty cool to stream it. So let's just dive right in. And this time we'll have music. Yep.
Yeah, once you start talking, the music disappears.
Yeah, I had turned off the music. So I'm just going to keep the music playing in the background while I'm coding, just so we don't have too much of a boring stream here.
Awesome.
Cool. All right. So, as I mentioned, we're just gonna straight up delete it, and we'll create a new project. Packages. I usually like to use Perplexity. How do I create? Oh, actually, I know that we're just creating a, well, yeah, web app. So I want an open next. Okay. Perplexity has failed me. I just realized I'm in a bad branch, so I'm actually going to stash my changes.
And there's still no music. Is that by choice or?
No,
It is
you
off.
should hear the music now. So I guess I can check out YouTube real quick and see. Give everybody a quick pause. So I guess I can check out YouTube real quick and see. Give everybody a quick pause. Yeah, I can hear music on the stream, dude, so I'm not sure what's up with your audio today. So I will turn it up a bit more, but
We stream also not hear that on YouTube.
yeah, so I just heard it on YouTube, so I'm just gonna keep going with it, and then I'll turn it up just a little bit, but yeah, definitely it's there. I do need to turn off my YouTube now because now I'm hearing like an echo.
Bust up 4 5 long go one Remington. Any boy this ball at all them in a skeleton. Bad man, you know where vibes can done. Vibes can done, we kill a sound boy for fun. Big bad man from out of England. Bass line drop, I tell you. Nobody's better than we. Nobody better than we. Nobody better than we. Badadan, badadan. Badadan. Badadan.
Badadan.
Badadan, badadan, badadan. 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 Badadan, 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 badadan.
I'm just gonna.
Nobody better than nobody better than we. Nobody better than we. Badadan, badadan. Badadan.
So I'm gonna set up our agent. We'll probably just need an agent actually running locally as a test, which we have in the dependent agent.
Badadan, badadan, badadan. 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 Badadan, badadan, badadan.
So right now I have an agent running locally. I think it has a basic time example in it, so I'll just give it a quick test. So it doesn't have access to real time. Oh yeah, maybe it's a math. let's see. Dependent agent is dependent on the TypeScript MCP template. If we go into that, yeah, it does have a get time tool. Well, I'll probably have to debug this later. I'm not sure why the get time's not working. But I will figure it out later. For now, we know we can chat with it, which is actually all we need today. Keep that running. Okay. Right now we want to support just chat, sending a message, getting a response from the agent, seeing history of messages. We need to store history, refresh, everything.
Losing all on my own. I had a heart then, but the coin has been overthrown. And I'm not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not keeping up the strength I need to push me. You show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine it when I'm alone, and so I tell myself that I'll be strong. Dreaming when they're gone, 'cause they're calling me on calling. Oh, you show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine me when I'm alone.
So let's see if we can do this entire demo in one shot.
I play within my head, touch my own skin, and hope they'll still be there. And I think back to when my brother and my sister slept in an unknown place. The only time I feel safe. You show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine me when I'm alone, and so I tell myself that I'll be strong. Dreaming when they're gone, 'cause they're calling me on calling. Oh, you show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine me when I'm alone. Turn to stone.
Yeah, you need follow-up messages, even though you tell it, hey, make a plan before coding. You follow up once, it just goes. So annoying, actually. I'm gonna let it go because it looks fine, but pretty annoying. While that's going, let's check out what Cursor has released since there's an update. It's just early access update. I wish it would let me know what they have given us in an update. It would be kind of nice.
Baby, I'm not toxic. I won't let you go. Do you wanna know? Why are you so sick? Just let you know. Baby, I'm right. Baby, I'm right. Baby, I'm right. Baby, I'm right. Baby, I'm right.
I'm gonna need to actually install the dependencies. Since I've got a lot of new ones coming.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, cause they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They got nothing on you. They got nothing on you, baby.
Start the chat just in case. That is what I'm talking about. I don't know, it's a bit little pink for me, but it works. Still impresses me as an engineer how beautiful AI can just spit out stuff. I've tried for games, it's not that quickly on the games yet, but yeah. Or should we just have the chat open by default? Well, let's just do it. Okay, we'll do it like that.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes.
It would be a good feature to override the ability of what model you're using, so we have like a model selector. Right now we won't do that, but it's just thinking out loud. I need an agent to like record everything I say so that I could just like add it to the backlog. So soon it's just gonna be like that.
Delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on the landing strip, everyone in my gang and my DJ paid. Why's my man talking about inshallah? These times he don't even pray. Why's my man wearing a Jesus piece? How did she squeezing them jeans? Big behind a petite waist. Take time with the GBG, we don't beef nobody like GBK. Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't have my piece today. I love my young boy, I won't lead him straight. I'm stuck to little bro like PVA. Alright, could go ban for ban. Alright, could go ban for ban. Alright, could go ban for ban. Alright, could go ban for big one. Which one? Who do you want, bro? Pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all ticked off.
Clarity that we're not gonna have any API
We could go ban
endpoints.
for ban. Fuck that. We can go M for M. Alright. We could go ban for ban. Fuck that. We can go M for M. Alright. We could go ban for ban. Fuck that. We can go M for M. Go ban for ban, fuck that, we can go M for. Alright. We could go ban for ban, fuck that, we can go M for M. Double R with the factory rounds. I got the 90, the US, the verge, the bribes, I'm really a threat. It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear. All I do it for some shoes, some clothes, let's see what they'll do for a necklace. Right, sure, look like a Friday, calling $1 on just accessories. She made me wanna go harder, I like go harder, I think I'm obsessed with her. Say hit him up on his birthday, get him the worst, but he had a death wish. I get right under their skin, alright, we could go ban for ban. Alright, we could go ban for ban. Alright, we could go ban for ban. Alright, we could go ban for pick one. Which one? Who do you want, bro? Pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all ticked off. Alright. We could go ban for ban. Fuck that. We can go M for M. Alright. We could go ban for ban. Fuck that. We can go M for. Alright. We could go ban for ban. Fuck that. We can go M for M. Alright. We could go ban for ban. Fuck that. We can go M for. Alright.
my car and my home. I'm leaving for a destination I still don't know. Somewhere nobody must have duties at all. And if you like this, you can follow me. So let's go. Follow me. And let's go to the place where we belong and leave our troubles at home. Come with me. We can go to the paradise of love and joy, a destination unknown. Destination to the place where we belong and leave our troubles at home. Come with me. We can go to the paradise of love and joy, a destination destination
Hit the pedal once, make the floor shake.
making smile. Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know that I'll never own me. Baby, be the class clown, I'll be the beauty queen. Tears, it's a new art form, showing people how little we care. We're so happy, even when we're smiling out of fear. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah. Pretty soon I'll be getting on my first plane. I'll see the veins of my city like they do in space. But my head's filling up fast with the wicked games up in flames. How can I fuck with the fun again when I'm known? And my boys trip me up with their heads again, loving them. Everything's cool when we're all in line for the throne. But I know it's not forever. Baby, be the class clown, I'll be the beauty queen. Tears, it's a new art form, showing people how little we care. We're so happy, even when we're smiling out of fear. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah. It looks alright in the pictures. Getting caught up with the templates. I'll follow God, it's on my heart. But you can watch through your window.
I'm gonna get some avatars just for fun. beat me to it, or she, whoever this AI is. Just gonna say, you're missing the button. You deleted it.
Something I'm made for.
This is a mix I made about a year ago. Okay. We're back using the new elements.
Father Ocean, hear my song. You're the wave I was made from. Take me back to where we once began. Ocean Father, I was wrong. Years I followed just the sun. Now I see your darkness holds the key. Close my eyes and I begin to see.
my god, it keeps bringing in the route.
Drink it away. Turn the volume, I can hear myself say, I'm out of touch.
I think I can't use the default chat transport because we have sessions. Unfortunately. I need to figure out how they handle it themselves. do want to multitask, but I hate multitasking at the beginning of like the foundation of the project. It's because they start stepping on each other. It's good just to wait till your foundation's done. I see. So we're having an issue where the node module sometimes doesn't get updated. I like to just delete it and install. Stop. We don't want that. If it's just that, then what we could do is we can go to dependent agent. Probably gonna make it configurable after it works though. I'm really tired of this agent trying to create proxies. I don't know why it's doing one at a time, one at a time. One change. Requires an ID for messages. Didn't know we require an ID for messages. This must have been an old AI SDK thing. Whoa. Oh my god. It just deleted everything. This is the first time I've seen this happen.
It's terrible.
It just deleted the whole app. I think it just deleted the whole app. Wow. I'll recompile it, but I mean, if this truly ran, then I mean, just deleted everything. Okay, I guess not. Maybe. So I guess the app is only this. I guess it's okay, and then it recreated the globals, the page, and everything else. Okay, I guess it's okay. Might start with a fresh context in a sec. Yeah, something I've been thinking of doing is, I have a feeling it hallucinated this version right here, and there's actually a more recent, yeah, see, version 2.0 is available. So I think it hallucinated an old version of AI SDK. There is a MCP called Context 7, which helps prevent this. So really what you gotta say is like, stop updating packages.json, use PNPV update latest. And I need a rule to like block it from manually updating package.json. It should just use PNP for that stuff. I don't know if I want to update the latest of everything.
What's inside your folder of the source app?
Inside the folder, what?
To remove that. So looking at your screen is doing an update. Before the update is doing a remove source app. Is that not your source code? Right? Is it?
Yeah, it said remove source app, and then it rebuilt the globals and then layout and then the page. So, but yeah, it did try to wipe everything in there, but there's only 3 files. Most of the logic is actually in the hooks and the, well, I guess actually most of these things are pretty empty now. Even the utils might not be used, but yeah, it's mostly components at the moment. So like these things right here, and then this page. It's actually a pretty simple app. Okay, so we're updated to the latest 2.039. Let's see if that works.
Group therapy with above and beyond.
Getting closer. So again, the AI SDK seems to be still using 4.0. Delete the node modules twice. Because what I'm looking for is when I highlight this, it still says AI 4.3. It should be saying AI 5.0. Because it definitely should have a send a message, like use chat. Yeah, there we go. Still seeing 4.0, pretty annoying. Amazing how much code it takes to make an app these days. almost gonna take the tools out just for this because it seems to be slowing us down. There we go. Now it's referencing the correct AI files. Okay, but I'm still getting some work here.
Grant me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, the courage to change the things that I can, and the wisdom to understand the difference.
So while this loads, I have been researching a lot about AI work, and I realized that cursor is actually quite slow, because what it does is it does a single change at a time. And the reason why Claude Code and some alternatives these days are being chosen is if you go to read about it, there's like a really nice post the other day about the tools that are used for Claude. And what's very interesting about Claude, aside from it being able to invoke itself, it talks about being able to actually make a task to clone itself to go do multiple things at the same time. I read here in the edit, because I was making a custom tool for editing in the cloud, that I read that, so it says, well, that's edit. I think it's multi-edit. There we go. So this is a tool for editing multiple edits in a single file. It's built onto this. And then it also says like You have the ability to call multiple tools in a single response. So this is really cool because what it means is that you can actually use multi-edit, where it runs an old string and a new string replacement, multiple of these, but then you can actually make multiple of these if you wanted to modify multiple files at the same time. This is pretty crazy, and the thing is, like, Cursor doesn't do this. That's why we're kind of sitting here watching a one-by-one edit at the moment. And if you use Claude Code or other, like the custom tools we'll be releasing with Nullshot soon, you can actually edit like multiple files, read multiple files simultaneously. It does reading really well, multi-read, but it doesn't do multi-edit well in Cursor. So yeah, it's been nice actually using something other than Cursor outside of this call or this stream.
That's very useful information.
Yeah, because each of these are just tool calls. They're just edits. Yeah. So, and really, if you read this file, it just shows you exactly all the tools that Claude has. They kind of extracted it, because it is an open source, so somebody was able to extract this in like the kind of reverse engineer it, if that makes sense. I think it's okay. Still using use chat. Okay. All right, let's see where we're at. I think we got to restart everything. Oh, we finally have no more errors. Okay, let's see if it actually works though. Now that we got our dependencies looking fine. All right, no errors, but it's not showing up in the UI. Close. I think I'm just gonna allow it to make its proxy. As much as I wanted this to work just out of the box, trying to call it directly, but it looks like it does need to transform it for whatever reason. As we get up on time here. Yeah, gonna abandon these use chat helpers. Which I'm really curious, like AI SDK working with itself, like, yeah, it's pretty crazy. You know, you got your use chat, you're talking directly to an endpoint with it. Probably have to like have a really good example project. 'Cause there's no good reason why this shouldn't work. There it is.
Another phone, give them death, yeah. Fucking with much money, pull you next, yeah, yeah. I'ma tell them big what's in the text, yeah, yeah. They gon' get a fact like a desk, yeah, yeah. Fuck another phone, give them death, yeah. Fucking with much money, pull you next, yeah, yeah. I'ma tell them big what's in the text, yeah, yeah. They gon' get a fact like a desk, yeah, yeah. Phone, give them death, yeah. Fucking with much money, pull you next, yeah, yeah. I'ma tell them big what's in the text, yeah, yeah.
So the reason why the time wasn't working earlier is because because I wasn't doing null shot dev. So I fixed it and everything started bootstrapping correctly to be able to get it. So that actually got the real-time MCP call for the time stuff that you did. Something else that's been bothering me is that, you know, it's going to edit it now, hopefully give us some avatars and do it, is that you'll see that it just like has it stops here and then it says the current time and then it goes here. And I believe this is actually markdown. So what I was really excited to see is that we have a response component now. So I'm wondering if it will look nicer if I wrap it in a response component. Okay, so the avatar for the agent should be left aligned. The other thing I'll quickly add is like the ability to add agents, and then I'll remove the transparency in this chat because it's a bit funky. And then the bottom message, the type your message, we will use the prompt input. There we go. So now we got this. I think the text is centered. I think it should be like left align. Not a huge fan of the design, but I don't think I'm going to do anything about it for now. Hit attach files. Let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna make it look too good. I don't like the spacing at the top.
You mix it up like this, man. Wicked one, that, you know. Yeah, man. And that one, respect that next.
Looking pretty good though.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. I've got prompts, this, that, and then I just want to do the drop down.
You mix it up like this, man. Wicked one, that, you know. Yeah, man. And that one, respect that next.
Still not a fan of this this messaging. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna fix it today, but like the default format of like responses and knowing when it's taking a break and it's doing a second thing and it's taking a break and doing a second thing. It'd be great to like put on a new line another day. I can also remove this since it doesn't do anything. So far, I'm not a huge fan of this components. I think based off of everything I'm seeing, since it can't just like hook up automatically with use chat, it's probably just better to just make a custom implementation with AI. Oh man, that's doing a lot of changes for removing a resize button. Oh no. Oh well, I mean, I guess it was a lot. Okay, that's gone. So I'll run another agent. It'll be on this URL. Cool. Cool. Yep. Nice. So then I'll just fix the transparency and call it a day. A successful, fully working app this time.
Yeah, that's excellent.
I mean, it would have been shorter if we didn't mess with the use chat, like trying to use AI SDK. I think if I just stayed with the custom solution that I was originally going for, it would have been done an hour ago.
No, it happens sometimes with implementation. Sometimes simple implementation become complex, but sometimes it can work out some straightforward solution for complex problem. That's the
Yeah.
key part of AI.
For sure, for sure. I think like the AI SDK, probably if I wrote it by hand, it probably is fine. But I just find that it's the AI SDK with a backend with the AI elements all together is just like not doing its thing. So yeah. But yeah, UI is looking good. I think we're in a happy spot. I think I'm just going to remove the transparency on this button. These transparent stuff is just so funny. Let's remove the transparency on the start chat button. And then I think we're good. I'm going to go ahead and commit this as a PR. I'll review it later. Because the thing is, I would want this chat to be able to run as an MPX agent. So you can do like MPX null shot / age or playground, and then like with like the default local host that it's running. So we'll see. There we go. Much better. Okay, cool. I'm gonna call it a day. Let me go ahead and save the work, stop spending money, and commit the initial commit here. Cool, man. Well, thanks for tuning in, and Raymond, thanks for making sure things are rolling. Everyone have a good rest of your week.